So today I have another arts and crafts activity, once again using the inside of a toilet roll, and we are going to make a train. So we are going to make a train and we're going to number them and colour them, okay? So I'll show you how to make one. To start with, I am making a background for the front of our train, and I'm using a stripy pattern with the colours green, yellow, blue and red. And then we stick it into place and we roll it onto the first toilet roll. We then repeat this process with plain coloured paper. We need one in yellow, one in green, one in blue and one in red. We then need to draw around 3 different size circles, and of the big size we are going to need 18. We need 4 in red, 4 in green, 4 in purple, 4 in orange and 2 in the colour that you choose. In the medium size we are going to need 4. And then lastly, in the small size we are going to need 22. So 22 of the smallest size. And then we cut them out. So it should look like this. So that this is all of the materials that we've made so far. And then we're going to stick the small black circles in the middle, in the centre of the coloured larger circles. We're then going to use an egg carton, and we're going to cut out just one section of the egg carton to use on the front of our train, to make the steam train. I'm using blue tack to stick this on, but you can use any form of glue. And then repeating the same process with the blue tack, I'm going to stick on the wheels. So we need 2 of the larger size circles, and then our 4 medium size circles are going to form the little wheels on the front of our train. I'm now cutting a section of a toilet roll. I'm going to colour it in black. And we're going to make the funnel. So where all the smoke comes out of, we're going to make a funnel. Like so. And then once we're happy, we're going to stick it into place. And we're going to make some smoke. So we're going to use a cotton pad, we're going to roll up the inner centre, the woolly centre, and we're going to stick it in our funnel. Okay, we're now going to draw some shapes. So we are going to need some orange triangles. Okay, so we're going to need some orange triangles. And we're also going to need some purple squares. Some green circles. And some red rectangles. We're going to stick the purple squares onto the yellow carriage. We're going to stick the orange triangles on the blue carriage. We're going to stick the red rectangles on the green carriage. And finally, the green circles on the red carriage. We're now going to do some numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carriages. The blue, the red, the yellow and the green. And we're now going to stick the wheels on. So the orange wheels go on the blue carriage. Like the orange triangles, the orange wheels go on the blue carriage. On the green carriage, we stick on the red wheels. So like the red rectangles, we stick on the red wheels. We stick the green wheels on the red carriage, like our green circles. And you guessed it, we stick the purple wheels on the yellow carriage like the purple squares. Now we stick the numbers on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ta-da! We have our train. Choo-choo! Okay, so now we've made our train. Please watch video part 2 to learn why we have chosen these colours and to learn the shapes. See you there!